What's going on, guys? I'm going to make a quick video of how I soundproofed the headliner and the roof of my 2015 Chevy Malibu. Probably similar for other years and other GM vehicles, Impalas, different year Malibus. Probably similar. The first thing I'm going to touch on is this sharkfin antenna. I did stick a 1/4 inch thick closed foam around the entire perimeter and tighten that back in. I'll show you exactly how that goes in. It's in the rear of this. Let me see if I can. Okay, let me see if there is. If this thing's going to get brighter. Okay, that's okay. All right. So there's your little. It's got 4 little prong fingers on it, a 5/16 millimeter, 5/16 or 10 millimeter bolt. Once you get the headliner out, as you can see, I also did add some foam across any of these plastic clips that seemed like when I rattled them, like they would vibrate on anything. There's little sensors. Where's that sensor I did? Right there. I stuck a bunch of foam behind that. It no longer makes any noise. A lot of the factory wrappings have this Tessa tape already around it, which is kind of like a felt tape. I did not add any more. I just did get done installing my custom 212 box, deck box for my 2 Pioneers, as you can see. If this thing will focus. Some shallow mount 12-inch Pioneers sound really good. All I got to do is put the factory cover on that rear deck and it will look like nothing's ever been done. So here's, once you remove the headliner, which is a little bit of a pain, all the clips and all of the panels that surround the entire headliner just pop off. But the grab handles, the center console, upper light, courtesy lights, and probably what, Bluetooth speaker, and there's all kinds of our Bluetooth microphone. All the things that are on that upper center console on your headrest, also on your headliner, need to come out. Most of them are a T15 Torx, 5-star Torx bit. With a little bit of patience. Try not to break the clips on the sun visors. They're not very friendly. They do tend to snap sometimes. Just be careful. Glue them back together if you must. Here's a picture. Here's some of them. Kind of a pain in the butt. I don't know why. Just 3 screws couldn't hold it in, but they wanted to put 3 screws, 3 clips, a washer, another top, the trim piece. It's just a pain in the butt. Just be careful with that stuff. So basically, once you get that down, it did have a few small patches, as you can see, these raised areas of factory sound deadening material. But it was like one there, randomly like one there and one there. And I think one on each side over here, there and over there. But I just went right over them. This is 50 mil. It was 50 square feet of 50 mil kill mat. Pretty good price. It wasn't the best price. It wasn't the best deal. I mean, I could have got 80 mil, but I just stuck with the 50 mil. I've never done this before. First time. So I figured the 50 mil would be easier to work with. Nice to put down. I did some frequency testing, and that roof and that GM sharkfin really rattled a ton. So hopefully this will cut down. I've got the 212 Pioneers on the back. I've got a 10-inch Type R, a 10-inch CVR kicker, and then I got the big boy Q Series kicker L7 Solo Barrack 12. This thing is really loud. This is a $300 subwoofer. I got it refurbished at a better deal. I paid about $260 for it. Plays awesome. Broke it in for at least 5 or 6 days on frequencies, free air, put it in the box, low volume. And this thing really, really does the job. So anyway, back to this. The headliner, unfortunately, will not come completely out of the car. At least I couldn't get it out, especially with the way I have that deck box built into the trunk now. I think you can put the rear seats down and slide it out the back of the trunk. Somehow, I don't know. There's all kinds of plastic things on here, and it's just a bear to work with. So you got to take these A-pillar trim pieces off right here. Yep, this is the driver's side, if you can't see it, but pop these off. It's got your tweeters down there. This side. The other side, if I could get over there, pop that side out. Probably can't see it. And then take out the grab handles, take out the dome light right there, and just kind of shift this thing around. I kind of shifted it one way and did one side of the car. I shifted it the other way, did the other side, did the front half, back half. But I'm going to put it back up there, play some test tones, and see if I need any more foam or any more sound deadener anywhere along the roof. If not, that is done. It's a tedious process. Took me about 4 hours, but it's going to be well worth it when this thing's playing and I don't hear any more rattling from the roof. It's going to be nice. So I hope this helps. If you got any questions about how to remove the headliner for your 2015 GM Chevrolet Malibu or similar GM vehicles, leave comment below. I'll try to help you out. I'll try to check my comments and get back to you as quickly as I can. I can't guarantee I'll have the answers for every vehicle, but might be able to help you out. There's not a whole lot of how-to videos on how to completely remove the headliner out of a new Chevy vehicle. They got some in there on how to remove the sun visors. That's about it. How to remove one out of some Saturn, a junkyard car. That was, of course, easy because there's no interior in the car. They just ripped it out. But this is how to sound deaden the roof of your 2015 Chevy Malibu and headliner removal. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you how to remove it completely. But if you have any questions, it's the 4 grab handles, the 2 sun visors, and basically the rest are just pull pins. Oh, that center console right there. You're going to want to get your T15 Torx. It pops down with clips. Remove 2 small T15 screws, and everything else unplugs, and you can pull that right down. So the headliner can come right down and shift it left, right, front, back, just to move it out of your way as you're going, because it's really a pain to work with. Otherwise, and you can't completely remove it. So, all right, I'm done talking. Good luck, guys. I'll post a video when I'm done and let you know how this sounds, hopefully with a demo. Talk to you later. Bye.